Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to play Ride On, King Jesus on piano. We will begin by identifying the key signature, which is often C major, and the 4/4 time signature. Next, you will learn the foundational chords, C major, G major, and F major. Practice the basic chord progression for the verse, ensuring smooth transitions between each chord. This forms the essential harmonic structure. Now, let's focus on the melody, typically played by your right hand. Pay close attention to its contour and how phrases connect. The piece often features dotted 8th and 16th note rhythms, so practice these carefully for accuracy. It is crucial to coordinate your right-hand melody with the left-hand chords, ensuring both hands play together smoothly and in time. This creates a cohesive sound. To enrich your playing, consider exploring simple chord inversions. These allow for smoother transitions between harmonies, making the piece flow more naturally. You can also introduce a walking bass line in your left hand, adding rhythmic drive and depth. Experiment with arpeggiated chords to create a fuller, more textured sound, especially during sustained sections. These techniques add musical interest. Finally, let's discuss dynamics and expression. Apply dynamic markings such as mezzo forte for a moderately loud sound, and use crescendos to build intensity. Effective pedaling is essential to connect phrases smoothly and add a rich resonance to your sound. Most importantly, focus on conveying the spiritual message of Ride On, King Jesus through your expressive playing. Let your music speak.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.